mommy lipstick. You say hi? I love him. Alright guys, without further ado, enjoy today's video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald if you are new, and if you are not new, welcome back. So today, as you can tell from the title, we're going to be working with Yonka skincare. Now, Yonka is a French skincare brand that I tried for the very first time today. So I already have all of my thoughts and opinions situated in my brain, and I only tried them for the first time 1 hour ago. So my thoughts are fresh for you guys. But one of the reasons I was really excited to try Yonka skincare was because it's French skincare. As y'all know, Lancome is my favorite skincare brand. I have tried so many skincare brands in the past, and I always end up going back to Lancome just because it's simple, it's high quality, and it works. I don't have to think about it. I know I'm just getting the right stuff. But one thing Lancome lacks is some body products, is like those kind of out of the norm skincare products. They have the basics that are like things everybody needs, but they don't have absolutely everything. So there are a few items that I always seek out other brands to find, and like I mentioned, French skincare is my favorite. So the two products we're going to be working with today is Yonka's brand new products, their newest products on the market, which is their Vitamin C Glow Kit. So these two products, this is a Revitalizing Body Milk, which just the name of that gets me so excited. And their Nourishing Sugar Scrub. So these are both full body products. So that makes me really excited because when I finish a full day of work and I have like my glam going on, and then I come and I have to do a skincare video and I have to take all my glam off, kind of gets me a little sad. So I'm kind of excited. I don't have to take my makeup off in this video. Not gonna lie, I love when I have my full face beat on. Yeah. Anyways, let's get right into this video. It's gonna be short, sweet, to the point. Since I'm not testing anything out, it's gonna be another short video. So without further ado, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below to keep up with my future videos. Now, let's see what I think about these products. Alright guys, so one of the reasons I was so excited to try these products, in particular the Body Sugar Scrub, was because I got out of my shower this morning and I looked at myself and I was like, we need to fix this pale situation going on here and get some self-tanner help. So obviously before you do any self-tanner routine, you need to exfoliate your skin, you shave, you do this, you do that, you do a bunch of things to make sure that the self-tanner can grip onto your skin as best as possible. And the best way for it to do that is for you to have as clean skin as possible. So as y'all know, I use the Rose Skin Laser Hair Removal Machine, so I did not need to exfoliate because I have no hair anywhere, and I am proud to say that. So anyways, if you want to know more about that machine, you can click this tab up here, but you should continue watching and then watch that video later. So anyways, since I did not have to exfoliate with my hair removal, all I really had to do was exfoliate my skin. And that means using some kind of a gritty product to remove any dead skin that I could possibly have anywhere. Normally, if you use a self-tanner, you use it everywhere, from head to toe. That means your belly, your thighs, your feet, your arms, everywhere. So I used the scrub everywhere. And I'm happy to report back that it heck worked. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. It is literally the best smelling thing ever. It smells like an aromatherapy. I'm not even kidding you. And that is one thing I'm not even surprised that it smells that good, because I was looking up so many reviews about Yonka's products, and they actually have some aroma products like that are meant to fill the room with the essence of the product. So this product was nothing short of filling our bathroom with the essence and the smell of this product. And since it is a vitamin C glow kit, you guessed it, the scent was orangey tangerine. Like, it smelled literally like someone planted an orange tree in my bathroom, which we all know didn't actually happen. It came from the skincare. So I'm going to show y'all what it looks like real fast. It's super duper gooey. It is one of those products that separates real fast. So like earlier when I used it, it was all mixed in, and now the liquid and the scrubby is kind of separated. So I won't be able to like tilt this, but you can kind of see what it looks like. There we go. That's what it looks like. It smells so good. Like my office is now going to smell like I've planted another orange tree in my office. Yeah. So I have nothing but good things to say about this. It is very, very scrubby. Like it is a rough product. So I would only recommend using this max once a week. That's how much this works, which is really good too, because then you're also not having to use that much of product and it'll last you a while. With the amount that I used that needed to cover my whole body, this will probably last me a good 4 to 5 months. I'm really, really, really minimal with my products because I love using things as long as possible. So let's go ahead and talk about the simple facts really fast about this product, and then we will talk about the body milk. And I will attach both of these products down below if you're interested in checking them out. All right, so this is 8.19 fluid ounces, so obviously you can't travel with it. But I think I should stop saying you can't travel with it because for the rest of the year, it doesn't look like we're gonna be traveling, so it really doesn't matter if you can or can't travel with something. I guess in years to come, you won't be able to travel with this, but at least 2020, we ain't traveling. So you should disregard the travel comment because it really doesn't matter. Now, one thing about this, it is significantly more expensive than the body milk, and that is because of the quality of the ingredients from this. So first off, I get most of my skincare products at either the skin store or the derm store. That's basically like the hub for skincare stuff. It's like the skincare version of Ulta and Sephora, if you want to compare it to something. They are mega retailers, and they also usually have really good discounts going on that the home website of a particular brand might not have going on. So I like to shop there for my stuff because there's like a 99% chance there'll be some kind of discount going on. There is a discount going on for this right now, which I'll put in the description box. The only reason I don't want to put the discount in this video is because there's a good chance that discount will change through time, and I don't want y'all to be watching this and hear me say a discount like 5 months from now and then the discount's gone. So in the description box, I can change it if the discount goes away or if there's a different one. But I will put the current discount that's going on right now. So check down there if you're interested in these products and you want to get a discount with these products. So anyways, back to the cost of these products. This does retail for $70. Now, I know that's a little bit of a higher price point for a scrub. This is one of the higher quality products you would buy for a scrub. I will list all of the nutrition facts down below too, only because I don't want this video to be a million years long, but there are so many good things inside of this product that you don't get in other products. So I absolutely promise you with this scrub, I can't vouch for every other scrub that's in this price range, but with this scrub, there is a big noticeable difference between this and the $25 or $30 scrub, because I've tried those too. In terms of the outcome of what it does for your skin and really what your skin is taking away from the product, which that's what we want to focus on more, is what your skin is getting from the product. This has so many good things inside of it, and we all know vitamin C is so good for your skin. That is like the main component in this product. So I'm just gonna list the nutrition facts below. I'll also, like I said, link this so that you can go straight to the website and read all those facts if there's anything I missed that you really want to know. But for the price of this being $70, I highly, highly recommend it. I would not recommend something this expensive that lightly. I would easily just say, you're getting scammed and this doesn't work if that were the case. So this really works. Definitely recommend it. Also, just want to reiterate that the size of this, you will have this last you a while. So if you do the math, and let's say this lasts you 5 months, which I believe this will probably last around 5 months, and it's $70, 70 divided by 5, that's 14. I mean, $14 a month for a fantastic product. It's really not that much. So just do the math, break it down, see if it's something you want to invest in. But if you do want a top quality body scrub, you guys know what I'm going to say. I recommend it. So next, onward to the Revitalizing Body Milk. Now this is more of a general product. There are so many lotions in the world that you have an option to buy from. So is this the greatest lotion on the planet that's going to change your whole skincare life? No, but is it a fantastic lotion? Absolutely. It is also significantly less. It is in the perfect price range for a lotion. And again, this is loaded and jam-packed with vitamins. specifically that vitamin C so that your skin can really absorb it. I did have to apply this a little bit after I did my self-tanning routine because I didn't want it to dilute or blend or possibly break up my self-tanner. So I used this first, obviously, to exfoliate my body. I did my self-tanner, I waited a couple hours, and I just used this. Literally, like right before I hit the play button, I was finishing up lathering my body. So this was probably the freshest in my brain on the product that I just tried, and I absolutely love it. Again, it smells someday, oh my god, it smells amazing. Someday YouTube will have the feature to be like 4D where y'all can like touch and feel and smell and have a sensory experience with me, and you guys will be able to smell how great these skincare products are, because this just smells fantastic. My body felt like a lathery, gooey paradise. So soft, smells fantastic. My husband was like, oh my gosh, what are you wearing? Can I have some? So honestly, this might not last me as long as I thought it would because the hubby might get into it. He is so funny. Small story break. I have been nagging on him to get a good men's skincare routine. I even told him you can use my products. Skincare is skincare. It's got no gender. So anybody can use any type of skincare. And I was like, use my products, even my good ones. I don't even care. I care more about your skin. And so he was like, I'm gonna find a brand with guy skincare. And so he found this men's skincare brand and he's been using it every night, and he's so cute. He'll like brush his teeth and we'll be getting ready for bed, and then I'll see him put on all his guy stuff. But then if I get a new product, he'll still want to be like, what's that? Like, what do you got over there? And it's like, I know you're gonna steal it when I'm not looking at it anyways. You might as well just use it in front of me. So this, I'm sure, will probably be used behind my back, but it's all good. I want hubby's skin to be just as great as mine. So let's talk a little bit about the facts with this, and then we'll call it a video. So this Revitalizing Body Milk does retail for $43. It's a really fantastic price. It is 7.7 ounces. I'm not gonna say it, but you know I'm thinking it. You can't travel with it. And I think this will probably last about max a month. I don't know about you guys, but the one thing I'm actually really generous with is my body lotion, because there is basically no such thing as too much lotion when it comes to your body. And since I live in California, it's dry like 9 days out of 10. So I like to lather my body in lotion and have it being super hydrated. Plus, hydrated skin is happier skin, and happy skin looks better. So why would you not want to have a lot of lotion put on your body? So one other thing I did want to add with the cream is that this is actually meant for repairing your skin. Because it is so highly rich in nutrients, it is supposed to fix damaged skin. So if you have a blister, if you have a cut, if you have an open wound, this is supposed to help the healing process speed up. This is also, like I mentioned earlier when I said they had some aroma fusion collections, this is one of their aroma fusion creams. So this legit, when you use it, is supposed to fill the room with an aroma. So I would highly recommend this as well. Both of these products are absolutely fantastic. Such great quality, good size of a product. Also, I would like to add, just because it might not be important to you, but it's always important to me, I like to know the people behind a brand are really nice. It's never fun when you learn like a brand that you've loved your whole life has like a snotty, rude person working behind the company. This company has the nicest people. Like, they are just so gosh darn sweet. So I would just like to highlight to Yonka, thank y'all for being so nice and sweet people and looking at what the customer needs and not just how to earn a buck. Honestly, they are so sweet. I have worked with so many skincare lines, and working with skincare lines, I speak to a rep or I speak to somebody, a PR person that's gonna send me the product. And I have encountered all walks of life of people. Awesome people, nasty people, rude companies, like all sorts. And so I personally appreciate when the company is filled with awesome people that just want to create something fantastic for the customer. And Yonka is definitely one of those companies. So I had to highlight that because I personally appreciate that so much. And I know many of you guys will appreciate that too. So other than that, guys, that is all I had to say about these products. Wanted to hop on here and highlight them since these are their newest products and I had never used Yonka before. So I wanted to let y'all know my experience with the products. Absolutely love them. Cannot wait to continue using them. I am hooked already. I will forever be a Yonka customer, and I definitely suggest that you guys become a Yonka customer too. So if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a comment below. I reply to almost 100% of my comments. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll attach my username right here because that's where I communicate with you guys most. I run lots of polls. I run lots of contests. I run lots of giveaways, lots of things that you guys can interact with so that I can get to know you best through my Instagram feed. And I also let you guys have a say in what I review next. So if you would like to be a part of that, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Other than that, guys, I hope you have a fabulous day and I will see y'all in my next YouTube video. Bye! So we have a new little member to the Fitzgerald family. This is my little baby. He is really sleepy right now. Did mommy wake you up from a nap? Did she wake you up from a nap? Okay. Meet Binky Fitzgerald. He is the love of my husband and I's life. We love him to death. Little Frenchie, little boy. I've wanted a Frenchie literally for years. Oh my gosh. And he is just the greatest little addition to our family. So say hi to everyone on YouTube. Yeah? He's so tired, so I'm gonna go, oh, look at that yawn. I'm gonna go put him back to sleep, but I wanted to show you guys our new little addition. I post him literally all day on my Instagram. So if you want to see more of Binky, go follow me on Instagram. You guys, he's literally my obsession. I'm pretty sure I'm annoying half of my followers with how much I post him, but when something is this cute, you have to share it with the world. So just wanted to hop on with my new little furry friend, and I love being his fur mama. We've had him for 2 weeks now. He has already doubled in size. He is a fantastic eater. He is a fantastic sleeper, and he's a fantastic pooper. Yeah. Yeah, you are, bub. Yeah, you are. And he loves my lipstick. Like, he loves it. So we're gonna go put him back to sleep, but I just want to introduce him while he's still a little pup because he's already grown so much. And I love him. Can you say bye? Bye. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Have a great day.